Classification underscore report, labels and target underscore names. I have following output from a classification report. The true labels in the dataset are S and P. Question: how do I know which label is 0 and which is 1? Or, how can I assign the labels via labels equals or target underscore names equals in the correct order?
You can use classes underscore attribute of a classifier to get a list of labels and they are array indexed. Classes underscore array of shape equals n underscore classes, or a list of such arrays the classes labels, single output problem, or a list of arrays of class labels, multi-output problem.
It will be arranged in alphabetic order if not specified otherwise. So most probably it will be 0, P, 1, S. Anyways, if you pass the actual labels, they should be displayed as it is. For example, so no need to do anything. But if you have changed the labels, then you can pass them in the target underscore names param to display in the report. Let's say you have converted P to 0 and S to 1, then your code becomes
If you are using a scikitlearn.preprocess.label encoder to encode raw labels, you can use inverse underscore transform to get the original labels.